Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Crate, and welcome back to my channel. You are watching my fall card series, so let's go ahead and jump right into the card. So to start off the card, I am ink blending up on my background here on a card base. This is a Slimline card. I am loving the Slimline cards, and I am trying to do them as much as I can, so definitely excited to be doing it on this card. And I'm just using some Distress Oxide inks to create a sunset sky for this fall themed card. And as you can see in the corner, there are some colored images that are already colored and cut out and ready to go. So I did those a couple days ago before I made this card to save time and to get this card done. So those are from the Simon Says stamp Fall Ya All, and this is a stamp set from the October card kit from this year. It's definitely a fun set. And then I went ahead and used my Big Shot machine to cut these hillside dies from Lawn Fun. I believe these are the stitched hillsides. I will have links to everything down below in the description box if you are ever interested. So then I was able to create a grassy hills for my card, and I'm just adhering those down with my advanced tape glider, and then I will cut off the extra pieces that overlap. I just love that you can layer these and add them and get them to the right place that you want to create your scene. So yeah, I didn't show you the coloring in this one because I did it previously when I had a chance to sit down and color in my busy schedule with my 3 kids and just homeschool and all that jazz. So I just had these images out and I colored them, and to have a little break in my fun but crazy day and give myself a little bit of a break, and then put the camera on later when I was putting the card together. So you're going to see me put these pieces together here, and you're going to see all the cute images from this set. Happy fall, y'all! And I'm going to do something very fun as well with the set. So at first I wasn't really sure how I wanted to do these, but I wanted to color a bunch of the images because they're all just so cute. And my son, my 3-year-old, thought that the smaller tree was a popsicle. When I asked them what I should use, they really liked the bear and the popsicle tree and the pumpkin. And they also really liked the sunglasses on the set. So my 5-year-old Riley wanted me to stamp the sunglasses and put it on the pumpkin. So instead of stamping the pumpkin, I'm using a wood veneer that is the sunglasses, and it's actually the same size as the glasses in the set. So I'm going to be using that and using some twine to add a fun effect and to allow myself to put the sunglasses on the pumpkin, but also put it on all of the other characters as a fun interactive element. So tying it onto the wood veneer there, and then see, you can move it around and add it to all of the critters and the trees and the pumpkin pie, or an apple pie actually, I guess. Because the sentiment that I will use will tie into an apple pie. So I'm just going ahead and adhering these all down to the card. They were in the spot that I wanted. Getting those all ready, and I will be stamping the sentiment, "You are the apple of my pie," I believe it says. And I thought that was a fun play on the eyeglasses. Instead of the apple of my eye, you are the apple of my pie. So I was able to bring that apple of my eye saying into this, as well as you move around the interactive piece of the sunglasses. Definitely fun to create interactive cards, and this was definitely one that was fun to create. So once those are all adhered down, I also just go ahead and attach the string to one of the pieces on the front, but then I decided to put this sentiment of Happy Folly All that I had colored in the inside of the card. First I was going to put it on the middle, but then I put it on the sides so you had more room to write your greeting. And then to make the sunglasses stand out a little bit more, I'm using my Memento Tuxedo black marker to go around that and make it pop so you can definitely see it amongst all the fun colors and fun characters on this card. And then there is the sentiment, you're the apple of my pie. So I'm just going ahead and stamping that down with one of my stamping picture frame doodads here that I use. You're the apple of my pie. So super fun, and there you go, seeing the black sunglasses on all the different characters, and you can move it around. And I just think this is a fun way to add some different fun and 3D effects to your card. And this card was definitely inspired by my two boys who are 3 and 5 and their crazy imaginations and their amazing imaginations of, I want to see those sunglasses on the pumpkin and the bear and the popsicle tree. That's a popsicle, Mom. Kind of does look like a popsicle. They are so fun and amazing, and that is going to finish up the card. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, give a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. I have one more fall video coming before the Christmas card series starts. Bye for now.